We got this little cove right here. It actually might seem promising for a campsite. Head over there, take a look, see what I see. If not, I can see another area that looks actually like it's going to be better. Okay, man. I wouldn't believe how clear this water is. It's gotta be 20 feet deep and I can see it straight down. If you look right about there, there's this island over there. Probably not going to get a chance to explore today because it's almost 5. I got to get a campsite set up. Sunset's in about 2 hours, so yeah. But we will definitely go explore those in the next, probably tomorrow. Alright, so I stopped along the shore, hopped out and tried to look for a campsite. Find this little hill right here. Thought, oh, that'll be perfect right there. And right next to it is an already established fire pit. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. This is home for 2 days. Yep. Alright. Let me get my gear. We'll get set up. There she is. Eureka Salt here, all set up. It has been almost non-stop rain since I got here. But that's okay. You know, it's my birthday trip. It's what I've been wanting to do. Glad I finally got to get out here and do it. But it is actually, I can tell it's going to get pretty cold tonight. So I'm glad I got this fire going. Yeah. So I'm just going to relax kind of for the rest of the evening. I'll make dinner here shortly, maybe when the sun sets a little bit. But yeah, I'm having a good time actually. I don't feel any stress at all, which is what I wanted. You know, life can get really stressful at times. I haven't seen a single person in hours. That's really what I wanted right there. Alright, pushing off now. There's islands over there. We're gonna go take a look at those. Vast stark difference from yesterday. Yesterday it was so windy. Fortunately I was able to stay close enough to the shore that the wind wasn't really hitting me all that much. Oh God, sunlight. Oh, that's a lovely feeling. Then last night when I made camp, the wind kicked up and the rain kicked up so hard. It was insane. This right here, this is just calm and lovely. Touching ground any second now. Here's this little island. Really not much to it. Would have been fun to camp on this, but camping out here on the island is against the rules. We don't want to be a rule breaker, do we? Very pretty here though. Oh man, imagine camping out here last night with all that wind. That would have been bonkers. And I would have had to go to shore to find firewood. So, this is this island, then there's another one. I'm not going to go to it today. Right there. I'm going to zoom in on that sign. Yeah, it's not focusing on that, but it's a sign that says no campfire, or no camping and no campfires. Alright, back on the road. Alright, back in the car. I'm out of here. It has been a fun trip, totally relaxing. Today's my birthday. I decided instead of doing 2 nights, I'm going to do 1 and go see my wife. Spend some time with her. Alright, rustle out and consider subscribing.